Hi, my name is Gerry Lewy, and for the past 5 or 6 months I've been making videos of diamond setting. The latest one I've done is fishtail setting. This is a part of a metal sculpturing and fabrication and metal cutting. In this video, we're going to be showing you, or I will be showing you, all the tools that are necessary in producing this most luxurious heart-shaped pendant fishtail. This is the wax. This is after casting. I still got the little sprues on the side, but I'm going to remove that later on after the setting is done. And you can see that outline. Okay, now we're going to go and show you how it looks. Now you can see the definition of the fish's tails as compared with wax. Well, looks like I've got some of the stones in. This pendant looks not really finished yet. The wings or the fish's tail at the top seems kind of heavy, kind of thick looking. So I'm going to trim it down. I'm going to do some filing and pumice wheel, then maybe 1,000 grit polishing wheel to make it look more presentable. Well, the job is done. A lot of work, a lot of thinking of what you folks need to learn about fishtail. That's what I started out with, and this is the final. It took me almost a day from starting at 9 o'clock in the morning, filming, cutting. It's now about 8:30 at night. Hopefully you folks had a good time watching the video, as much as I did. Take care.